A perfect example of the megaphone pattern. Knocking out the the IB low. And for those of you who want more, a reminder, this until broken. Lunch will be coming, and the shorts have definitely brought their game today by defending this 1500. So we're going to continue to keep this 98.25 as resistance. And it is a great trade. It's a beautiful trade. And then now these traders who bought early obviously are also in danger of losing their profits. So the longs really need to step up here soon and try to defend this 92. If not, then obviously the low can go. And if so, then that 89 to 87 zone becomes available. And this is the way a morning after trend day should behave. Beautiful trade. And the same thing here from the NQ. Resistance zone up here. Here's your support zone down here. Resistance. Coming back in, testing the support. And this chart, I've got a 15 on here. I said I like this 15. And one of the reasons was because this lined up near the overnight low. So you can scale this back now to a faster chart. You know where that is. And keep a look at a faster pace. And at the time, when this was screaming up here, and everybody was wondering, am I saying the right thing? Oh my God, this thing is going to go forever. That's the way markets, this is the illusion of the market. And the more you're willing to take the calculated shot here, without any idea whether we're right or wrong, just understanding the principles of trading, that gave us our edge. And the longer you wait for confirmation, then the more the profit goes. So that's part of it, is when I say anticipating this test of coming back into this 92 region, if possible. It's such a great trade. Anybody that took this trade the morning after trend day, and again, this 91 is still support till broken. So at this hour of the day, take profits. We broke down the IB, but we have not broken down the low of the day yet. And my contention, markets ebb and flow, and you need to trap traders. Right now we have a break of the IB low, so that's a good thing for the shorts. But we still need to take out 91. So in my opinion, longs will be looking for, a contra at lunchtime. Anybody who just wants to close your eyes and buy now, that's not the way I like to trade. I don't mind peeling out. If I'm a morning after trend day trader, which I am and like this trade, I don't mind taking profits, but I, very rarely will come back in and just immediately close my eyes and buy right now. Especially because the IB low is broken. There's the 15. So this is what I mean by trying to use these charts to help us see potential targets. And I would have to say that anybody who is short that does not take profits here, if you've only got one or whatever, then at least move your stop down. And don't give too much of this back on any profit taking. We still haven't even had a 10-point range for the day yet. And this is what we mean by a megaphone pattern. So anybody who is short, peel out something for sure. If you're the type of trader that likes to add in, very tough to add in this neighborhood because you're at or so of the low. So if you're an add-in type trader saying, I'm right, I'm going this way, then really you should be adding in back in here saying, I hope I'm right and I want to get back down into my magnet. And be very careful today of any minor lows, because there's a bigger magnet actually right in here just below the 91 that could push back anyways. So perfect exit is right here, in my opinion, for anybody that's playing this range. And we still have a lot of time left in the day.